Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. Pasensya na at matagal ang ating uploads. Wala busy talaga sa live. Anyway, mga rechargeable lanterns naman ang ating bibigyan ng review for our succeeding videos. Well, maliit na bagay pero big help lalo na if nakuha mo talaga yung sakto sa needs mo. For these videos, sa Lazada muna tayo bumili. I know, right? Well, if you think about it, same lang naman yang si Shopee at Lazada. I mean, yung mga sellers ni Shopee, probably meron ding shops sa Lazada. So, it's even a wiser practice to have both apps so we can compare pricings. Anyway, our product right here is called Solar Camping Lantern. Eto na naman tayo sa pahabaan ng name. Anyway, store name is Dreamlight and as usual wala namang issue, maayos ang packaging, naka-box pa nga. Pili ko lang to for around 211 pesos total. May mga Lazada vouchers na yan of course, pero if you're looking for this type of lanterns or garden lights, nasa 210 pesos pataas ang presyuhan. So sa 211 pesos, I think ito na ang pinakamura. Well, obviously for outdoors. I'm not sure if ito ang dadalhin mo sa camping mo for reasons that I will disclose later. Pero syempre, obvious naman na meron talaga siyang camping vibe. Binili ko siya to have a simple illumination sa area na pitch black at walang power source. And what I have in mind is iiwan ko lang doon sa area nang hindi na nag-overthink. Solar naman siya, so yaan ko na yung mabuhay mag-isa, charis. Well, I expect na hindi naman talaga ganun ka-efficient ang solar inputs niya pero hindi din naman pang mahabang duration ng habol ko like a few minutes of use lang talaga. Browsing through similar items in Lazada will yield, well, hindi magagandang result. So it's another sort of problematic product. Well, at least yung mga nagpo-fall lang under this price point ha. Pero again, we know what to expect. So carry na yan. I chose this mainly because of its removable battery. So just in case need ko ng mahaba-habang duration, I can easily swap batteries. And super easy nga lang talaga ng pagpalit ng battery niya. And again, I really love this aspect. Yung pinaka-base ng lamp, siya na rin nagsasave as protection dun sa battery. So yes, very nice. Okay, so let me show you the ins and outs of this item. Well, this is how you turn it on. And yan din yung adjustment ng brightness ng ilaw. Hindi siya ganun kalakas pero it's functional naman sa pitch black environment. It's generally made of plastic and it seems sturdy naman. Yung hawakan lang niya yung pinaka-metal na part. So basically that's it. For my purpose, it works well. However, since magkakaiba naman tayo ng reasons sa pagbili, you might want to hear a couple of things about this product so you will know if this is for you or not. Maliwanag ba? Well, hindi siya ganun kaliwanag. Mas maliwanag pa yung mga normal na flashlights na nabibili mo sa Shopee or Lazada. If you're looking for luminance, this won't work for you kasi sa design pa lang niya, alam mo na agad na hindi ganun ka-efficient yung ilaw. Same context siya ng traditional na gasera na yung sides lang yung nai-illuminate. Charging time takes about 2 hours and if you want to know kung ilang oras na magagamit, it could probably be used for 1.5 hour tops. Yung nabanggit ko kanina na you might not want to bring this for your camping, it's because bulky na siya, limited pa yung power, unless may dala kang spare na mga batteries. Meron pala tong charging capability, yung pwede kang mag-charge ng cellphone pero nasa more or less 6% lang ang kaya niyang idagdag even if full charge pa yung lantern. So almost useless, 'di ba? It claims to be IP67 waterproof. Well, may konting takip naman yung ilaw and it seems protected din nung glass exterior pero walang cover to mga ports na to. Well, at maximum brightness, hindi. Unless 1 hour lang or less yung brownout sa inyo. Para magamit for several hours, wag mo siyang itodo. Tipong mga 30% lang para tumagal-tagal yung duration. If gagamitin namang lampshade or for vibing, hindi rin siya ganun kaaya-aya kasi matapang yung white light niya. Masakit sa mata even yung pinakamahinang setting. Well, kung may yellow light option sana to, pwede pa. So basically, eto lang yung mga advantages niya. So that's about it for this product. Our next reviews will be another vintage lamp and a modern lamp naman which is an Aurashare brand. In between siguro may mga quick initial product impressions tayo. So we'll see about that. As always, thanks for watching and for the support guys. Bye!